Question number 7 from November 2019, Standard Level Paper 2. The following table shows the probability distribution of a discrete random variable x, where both a and b are greater than or equal to 0. And in part A, we need to show that b is equal to 0.3 minus a. So now for part A, the sum of all the probabilities in the probability distribution table always equals 1. So we can add up all of these probabilities and equate it to 1. So from here 0.2 plus 0.5 will be 0.7. Take it to the right hand side, this will be negative 0.7 and this will become negative a on the right hand side. So we find that b is equal to 0.3 minus a. Now in part B, find the difference between the greatest possible expected value and the least possible expected value. For part B, first we need to find an expression for the expected value of x. So this will be equal to 1 times 0.2 plus 4 times 0.5 plus a times b plus a multiplied by a plus b minus 0.5. So now 1 times 0.2 is 0.2, 4 times 0.5 is 2, and now I have replaced b with 0.3 minus a so that I have an equation in terms of one variable only. This will be a multiplied by 0.3 minus a plus a multiplied by a plus 0.3 minus a minus 0.5. Now from here 2 plus 2.2 is 2 plus 0.2 is 2.2, 0.3 times a is 0.3a, a times negative a is negative a squared, and over here the positive a and negative a will cancel, and 0.3 minus 0.5 is negative 0.2, so a times negative 0.2 is this, and we find that the expected value of x is given by this quadratic equation where a is greater than or equal to 0 as told in the question. Now to find the greatest possible expected value, I have graphed this function, and to make things clear, the expected value of x will be denoted by the y-axis and all the values of a will be denoted by the x-axis. So if I have a coordinate, say x comma y, this coordinate will be the same as a and the expected value of x. So now keeping this in mind, if we graph this equation for a greater than or equal to 0, you will get this graph right here. Now to find the maximum, if we see the maximum is this point, and let me zoom up. So the maximum occurs when a is equal to 0.05 and the maximum expected value is 2.2025. So that is what I have written over here. The greatest possible expected value is equal to 2.2025 and this occurs when a equals 0.05. Now, and we found this from the vertex of this quadratic. Now to find the least possible expected value, this is a bit tricky. So let's do some exploration right over here. So the question does tell us that a is greater than or equal to 0. And also keep in mind that a and b are both probabilities. Now if I rewrite this equation, I can write this as a plus b is equal to 0.3. So this means that the sum of these two variables must always equal 0.3, and this makes sense because already 0.7 has been taken up by these two probabilities, so we just left with 0.3 because the sum must equal 1. And since both a and b are probabilities, a cannot be any value greater than 0. It also has an upper bound. So the upper bound will be 0.3. So I can write that a is greater than or equal to 0 and it also is less than or equal to 0.3. Because if a was suppose greater than 0.3, let's say 0.4, then b will equal negative 0.1 and we can't have a negative probability. Similarly, if a was less than 0, suppose negative 0.1, then a will be a negative probability and this does not exist. So that is why this is the range of the possible values of a. A ranges between this. Now that we know this, now to find the least possible expected value, we'll go again to the graph, and now I will restrict the domain of this graph. So if I restrict the domain we will be left with this graph right over here. And if we see, the minimum expected value occurs at this point. So if I try to find this point, this is the line, and the minimum expected value occurs when a is equal to 0.3 and the minimum expected value is 2.14. So that is what I have written here. The least possible expected value is equal to 2.14 when a is equal to 0.3. Now to find the difference will be just 2.2025 minus 2.14, and this is equal to 0.0625. And this is the answer to question number 7.